In this video, let me show you how to set up a PayPal account. If you are a beginner and if this is your first time trying to set up your account of PayPal, in this video, let me show you the steps that you need to follow. The first thing that you need to do is either visit the website by using a web browser and searching for paypal.com, or you can also download the application of PayPal onto your device. Either way, it is going to be a similar process. Once you're inside of the website, you'll be able to see the option called login or sign up. Just head over to the sign up option and then choose the type of account that you're trying to create. Either you want to create a business or a personal account. Once you selected your account type, you need to first of all type in your email address. Once you type in your email address, in the next step, it is also going to ask you to add in your mobile number so that a 6-digit verification code is sent. Once you add in the 6-digit verification code, in the next step, you'll need to create a password as well as add your physical address. Once all of this information is done, lastly, you need to link a payment method within your wallet, so you can link either your debit card as well as your bank that is available. Once you complete all of these steps, your account of PayPal will be successfully created. So that's pretty much all there is to it. If this video was helpful to you, be sure to subscribe. I'm going to see you in the next one.